Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with some happy mail that I received from Tina, who is Crafty Bean here on YouTube. She had shared a video with Craft Hall from Tuesday morning, and I commented that my Tuesday morning hasn't really gotten a lot of things in recently, and I will share a video soon showing a haul that I recently made from Tuesday morning to show you what little I found. But anyway, so she was nice enough and super kind to send me some happy mail. So I wanted to share that with you today. So first off, she sent me this Seaside Shipwreck 6x6 collection pack. It's by 49th and Market Paper Goods. And it's a collection of up to 22 double-sided pages plus two 12x12 laser cutout sheets of coordinating elements and 3 additional background papers. So I thought this was really pretty. And if you watch Tina, you saw her haul this, and I'm just gonna run through it just really quickly, just some of the pages. But here are the cut aparts that are already ready to just pop out with these really wonderful images of sea life. And then here's the second page. I really like that fence. Isn't that pretty? The kind of fence you see on the beach. And then the wonderful paper. Now, if you watch my channel, you know that I really love paper. It's something that I am super fond of. I think more so than any other thing that we use in crafting. Look at that sheet. Isn't that terrific? Just beautiful. It's got the ship down here. And, you know, it's double-sided. So when I received this, I was really blown away. It looked really pretty on her channel, but when you see it in person, it is just downright gorgeous paper. So that's one of the paper pads. And yes, I said one of the paper pads, because not only did she gift this paper pad, she also sent me this one by 49 and Market. I don't know if it's 49th or 49. Just, that's how it shows on here. And this is called Irrevocable. I think that's how you pronounce it. Beauty. This is an 8x8 collection pack, and it's 20 sheets of double-sided pattern paper, 2 of each design, plus you get an exclusive bonus pattern on back of the cover sheet. So this is, I'm assuming, the cover sheet, and so here's your bonus paper here. But this too is just so gorgeous. I'm gonna really love making cards with this. Look at this. This is just a card in itself right here. Cut this out, stamp it, maybe put some sequins on it. I mean, this is simple and beautiful, right up my alley. So I am just so grateful. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? To Tina for sharing this paper with me. I can't get over her kindness. I don't often share things with other crafters, so I get too excited when I do. So, or they share things with me. Now, if the paper wasn't enough, she also was kind enough. She asked if there was something else I wanted, or I asked her if I could purchase a couple of her cards. And of course, she just sent them. And look at this. I know if you watch her channel, you saw this card on her channel, but I really wanted one of her cards so I could see her Copic coloring up close. I think she is a wonderful colorist, and I wanted to see it up close, not only on the video. I'm sorry, I'm pausing because I'm looking at her hair. Isn't that hair gorgeous? How she has that shine on it. So I really appreciate being able to see this up close and personal, and maybe this will encourage me to practice more so I can not even get to the level of Tina, because I don't know if I will ever be, but close to it. And then look at this card. I don't know if you guys remember seeing, if you watch her channel, remember seeing this card. I did, and when I opened my package and saw it, I was like, ah, I'll never be able to send this card. I'll have to keep this card forever because it's so beautiful. Oh, I just really like this card, and she has on the inside beautiful, which I think the card is, and just so adorable. So not only am I sharing this video with you guys just to share what Tina gave me, I also wanted to just really reach out and thank her for her kindness in sending this to me. It was just so awesome of her to think of me and send this to me. So if you haven't seen her channel, she's Crafty Bean on YouTube, and you're just gonna love her channel. She does hauls, and she makes jewelry now, and she just does everything. So thank you, Tina, from the bottom of my heart. You don't know how much I appreciate this happy mail. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.